made it today because I have a whole unboxing to do. And the thing is, I ordered these wheels on November 10th. Today's date, it's January 9th of 2019. It's been almost 2 whole months. I've been waiting for these wheels. And the worst part about it is, I only have 2 wheels here right now because FedEx fucked up. I don't like you, FedEx, right now. But that's okay. Because I have at least 2 of my wheels right now. So I thought I'd do an unboxing because I can't really find an unboxing of these wheels anywhere else. So I just said, might as well do an unboxing because I like doing unboxings, and who doesn't like doing unboxings or watching unboxings because they're therapeutic. Scratch that. If you don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you should probably take the time to follow me on Instagram or Twitter at Cruddy_Carl. Do that. These are my Cosmis Racing 18 by 9.5 with a plus 35 offset. This video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Cosmis Racing, but notice me, senpai. And I will be throwing these on my card tomorrow. And I know you can probably see my hairline really well. Don't worry about it. Hashtag save the hairline. Oh, it smells like new wheel. I'll just take this off. Okay, there we go. You got your centerpiece and your valve stem cap thing, majigger. I can't talk right now, but it's okay. Oh, that's a good-looking wheel. I waited 2 months for these, and it was worth it. Oh my God! Do you see this? Do you see this? That's a good-looking wheel. It's like 24 pounds. How many pounds? It doesn't say on the box, but I'm pretty sure this is like 24, 25 pounds. I can't wait to put these on my car. These are the Cosmis again, R1. They're not the pros, they're just the R1 in Hyper Bronze. With a plus 35 offset, 18 by 9.5. Jesus Christ, it's beautiful. I've been waiting so long to get wheels so I can put my coilovers on because I've had a lot of people roast the hell out of me because my car looks like a monster truck, but that's okay. Oh, look at that. Just a good old wheel. Just a good old wheel. Wow. Don't bring everybody down like this. I can't wait to install these. That's pretty much it. These unboxings are usually pretty quick. I only have 2 wheels here, unfortunately, so I have to go pick up the other one so I can install them tomorrow. If you're not a part of the channel, hit that subscribe button because I make videos whenever I have time or money to buy parts. But other than that, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, not Snapchat, Twitter at Cruddy_Carl, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.